Hello little kids. Welcome to Playground Adventures, a day of fun for kids. Join us as we embark on an exciting journey through a vibrant and lively playground filled with laughter, games, and lots of fun. Our adventure begins at the Seesaw, where friends balance their ups and downs of life together. Hey kids, come and join me on Seesaw ride. You will enjoy and fun ride. Next, it's time for an exhilarating slide ride. Come now, it's your turn to slide. Let's have a slide fun. The swings take us to new heights, as we soar through the skies. Come little kids. Now it's your turn on the swing. To have fun and touch to a new height. Hi kids. Now time for an adventure on the rainbow bars, where young climbers conquer colorful challenges. Little kids. You know, the merry-go-round spins merrily, making hearts race and laughter fill the air. Hi kids. In the sandbox, young architects build dreams from grains of sand. Have more fun while playing with sand. Little kids. The ball pit is a realm of excitement, where kids dive into a world of endless fun. Let's play with colorful balls of your choice. Little kids. The Tire Dome offers a thrilling obstacle course for adventurers. Join me to navigate the way through a challenging Tire Dome fun. On the spring horses, young riders gallop into their wildest imaginations. Come kids. Now it's your turn to ride Spring's Dolphin together, and have fun rides. Here is the Dome Climber, becomes a mountain to conquer, offering a sense of achievement. And there you have it, a day filled with adventure, laughter, and endless fun at the playground. We hope you've enjoyed our journey through the world of kids' play. Until next time, keep playing and exploring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for joining us on Playground Adventures, a day of fun for kids. See you in the next exciting episode.